10th chapter, Applications of Derivatives. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 24. Last part completed, important repeated problem, core problem completed. Today class explained some more 4 marks problem in this exercise 10A. What is the first problem? A point P is moving on the curve. Curve is given y is equal to x square. Point P is moving. The x coordinate of P, is increasing at the rate of 4 units per second. Find the rate at which the y coordinate is increasing when the point is at 2, 8. Point is given. Suppose first we have to take y is equal to 2x square is the given curve. First of all we have to write this one is. Suppose px comma y. In this px comma y, x coordinate increasing at the rate of nothing but dx by dt is given. Dx by dt equal how much given? 4 units per second given. Similarly, the y coordinate increasing at the rate how much? You can find dy by dt is equal to how much? This is a problem information. You can read problem perfectly understood. After that, separated each term, you get what right. First of all, in equation 1, derivative on both sides with respect to t. Here, d by dt of y is equal to 2 into d by dt of x square. Here, this can be as d by dt is equal to into x square derivative 2x into d by dt of x. You can write dy by dt equal to 2 2s are 4. 4x into dx by dt. See students, here point is given 2, 8. In this point, x value is 2, y value is 8. Here you know that x value that is 2. You know that dx by dt value that is also before. You can write what here? dy by dt equal to 4 into x value is 2 into dx by dt value is 4. You can write how much your answer? dy by dt equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 32. This is 32 units per second. This is the rate of change of y coordinate. What is the rate of change of y coordinate? Rate of change of y coordinate is 32 units per second. This is very easy problem. This problem coming to more than 2 times in IB examination. Okay students, this problem is very easy problem. Next problem is, assume that an object is launched upwards at 980 meters per second. One object is launched upwards at the rate of 980 meters per second. Its position would be given by s is given displacement minus 4.9 t square plus 980 t. Find the maximum height attained by the object. Here maximum height attained, that time velocity having what? Maximum height attained, that time velocity is 0. After that downwards coming to the object. Correct or not? That's why you can find first of all velocity. Here given that s is equal to what here? Minus 4.9 t square plus 980 t. Next, in equation 1, derivative on both sides with respect to t, d by dt of s is equal to minus 4.9 into d by dt of t square plus 980 into d by dt of t. After that you can write ds by dt. This ds by dt you can write the velocity. The rate of displacement, the rate of change of displacement is called velocity, already explained. Minus 4.9 into t square derivative 2t plus 980 into t derivative is 1. You can write v is equal to minus 4.9 into 2 how much? 9.8. 9.8 t plus 980. This is the velocity. Here maximum height attained. The object maximum height, maximum height attained, the object maximum height attained, then velocity equal to 0. Velocity is equal to 0. This is a very, very important point. That's why you can write the velocity v value 0. You get velocity what here? Minus 9.8 plus 980, t plus 980 equal to 0. You can add this one is minus 9.8 is equal to minus 980. Here minus minus get cancelled. Remaining what stands? T is equal to 980 by 9.8. 980 by 980 by 9.8. After that, this point eliminated, you can add 0 here. 9800 by 980. 9 ones are t value is 100 seconds. Time is correct. Here, the object maximum height attained that time velocity having 0. That time, what is the time in this maximum height attained? Time is 100 seconds. This 100 seconds substituted in equation 1, you get the distance, that is displacement. 1 s is equal to minus 4.9 into t value is 100 square plus 980 into t value is 100. You can get s is equal to minus 4.9 into 100 square nothing but 100. 100 square nothing but 10. Here total 4 zeros. 4 zeros, 10,000. After that you can write 980 into nothing but 98,000. After that you can write this is equal to minus 4.9. 4.9 you can write 49 by 10. 1000 plus 980,000. Here 1010 get cancelled. Remaining what remains is equal to minus 49 into 1000 plus 98,000. Here minus 49 into 1000 nothing but minus 49,000 plus 98,000. How much? 98,000 minus 49,000. How much? 49,000. That's why you can write 49,000 meters the height of the object. The object traveled maximum height how much? 49,000 meters. That time is 100 seconds. That time velocity having 0. In this model, different model problem in this problem. Okay students, this problem you can practice perfectly, you get easily understood. Next problem is, let a kind of bacteria grow by t cube. Here t in terms of seconds. T you will see second. The growth of bacteria is given, that is t cube. At what time the rate of growth of bacteria is? Rate of growth of bacteria is given 300 bacteria per seconds. First of all, let growth of bacteria. Let growth of bacteria is g of t. Here g of t value is given. G of t value is given, that is t cube. After that, the rate of change of growth of bacteria. The rate of change of growth of bacteria. The rate of change of growth of bacteria is G dash of t is given, that is 300 bacteria by second. 300 bacteria per second. Here, first in equation 1, derivative on both sides with respect to t, you get what? G dash of t is equal to, here we can get directly d by dt of g of t equal to d by dt of t cube. What is the derivative of g of t? G of t derivative is g dash t. T cube derivative what here? 3t square. Understood or not? Here g dash of t value is given, that is what? 300 is equal to 3 into t square. 3 ones are 300s. You can, t square value is 100. Then t value is square root of 100. Square root of 100 having plus or minus 10. You can have to take only plus 10. Why? Because time having only positive. That's why time equal how much? 10 seconds. If the rate of change of bacteria growth rate is 300 bacteria per second, that time is 10 seconds. This is the problem answer. Here growth is given, growth rate also be given. You can use growth and growth rate. You can find the time. That time is here how much? 10 seconds. Understood or not? In this way you can do that, this model problems. Next, today assignment problems are homework problem. First one is, let a kind of bacteria growth in such a way that at the time t seconds there are t power 3 by 2. Here bacteria growth is given, that is t power 3 by 2 bacteria. Find the rate of change of growth of bacteria at a time t equal 4. First you can find derivative. G dash of equal to t power 3 by 2 derivative 3 by 2 into t power 3 by 2 minus 1. You can write t 3 by 2 into t power 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. Here G dash of t, growth of bacteria at a time t is equal to how many seconds? 4 hours, not seconds. That's why you can write 3 by 2 into t value is 4, 1 by 2, that is 2. 3 by 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled, that is 3. What is the units? Here units is unit bacteria per hour. Here not second. Bacteria per hour. Understood or not? In this way you can do the first one in. Second one. Suppose you have a rectangular aquarium. Rectangle aquarium dimensions is given. Length L is equal to 8 is given. Width nothing but a breadth is given, that is 4. Height is given, that is 3 meters. What is the volume of the rectangular? What is the volume of the rectangular aquarium? That is V is equal to Q by shape. V is equal to LDH. V is equal to L value 8, 4, V value, H value 3. V is equal to 8, 4 are how much? 32. 32 3s are 96. This is the value 96 meter cube. After that, this V is equal to LBH. After that, we can write. Suppose we are filling the tank with water at the rate of 0.4 meter cube. Here dV by dt is given. dV by dt is given, that is 0.4 meter cube per second. How fast is the height of the water level changing? Height of the water level changing, nothing but dH by dt at the water level 2.5 meters. Water level 2.5 meters. You can find dH by dt. dH by dt at h is equal to 2.5 meters. How much? See students, here we can derivative with respect to x. You get what students? Then first you can apply log b equal to log of LBH. Log a plus log b plus log c, nothing but h. Here L, B both are constants. Here only height is changed. No length is changed. Length is fixed and breadth also be, width also be fixed, just height is changed. That's why you can write derivative 1 by v into d by dt of v equal to constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0. This is not constant. This is what here? This is what here? Variable. That's why you can write 1 by h into d by dt of h. You can write 1 by v into this can written as dv by dt equal to 1 by h into dh by dt. This value you can find. You know that the 1 by v value. V value how much here? V value is 96. dv by dt value is 0.4. H value you can write 2.4. H value is not, this is not H value. H value is what here? 2.5 meters substituted in this equation. You get dH by dt equal to what? dH by dt equal to h by v into dv by dt. In this formula, you can write h value 2.5, v value 96, and dv by dt value is 0.4. Substituted, you get answer. Understood or not? In this way, you can do that. This problem. This is a very important problem. These two problems, 80% answer explained shortcut. That answer you can use totally neatly. Write that pain notes clearly. Okay, students, understood or not? In this way, you can do that. These problems. This part is very important, unexpected problems.